what's up? This is a demo for a private collector who wants to remain anonymous, but it's for their flagship right here. They had a very specific a request for the etching, that it was etched with a peacock feather on the handle. So that's what I tried to do here. It is ready for powder coating. I'm just not going to do the powder coating. Recommended Christopher Royal over at Royal Custom Armory. And I did go a little bit deeper on the etch on the handle part so that it could be easily powder coated. That is just not something that I'm comfortable doing with right now. But that's the handle. And then put these emblems on the bump outs. This light's gonna kind of ruin it. But yeah, you can see those emblems on all the bump outs are the same. And then on the shrouds, we do have another peacock feather here with the emblem down below. And then the writing that's along this piece right here and along the switch area is the Sith code. I didn't quite get all of the Sith code on there because there wasn't enough room, but it does read the Sith code. There's a few lines from it. 2-button setup. So the front switch right here, this main switch is the activation, and then I put a little brass tactile back here. Real low profile for the auxiliary. It's got CC sabers in there for the main PCB, and then you just open it up like this. So once you get the handle out, here's your chassis. I did put a peacock feather right here on the chassis just to try to match the saber. So you'll see that better in person. And then also I sent you some pictures, so you'll see those as well. It says Solo Sabers over here for me in Arabesh. 28mm speaker. Here's your Proffie board. Snap fit down into the shelf, but you can get to your SD card and micro USB and never move the board. There's also a copy of the config file that I used to set up this board on the SD card. Just in case you want to change it or add to it or whatever you want to do, it's right there for you. And then you've got a removable battery setup. So the spring side over here for your battery. And we'll throw a battery in right now. Just like that. Throw the handle on. I did put motion controls on this. You got your LEDs firing up there. Nice shine through between the windows. And I did put that emblem on both sides. A good smooth swing. Auxiliary back here. Twist off. Or we could hit power.
What could you give me? Everything.
Just like that. And then power again and turn it off. This takes a 1-inch diameter blade, so we'll throw a blade in here real quick and fire this guy up. You will need to lock it down. I actually put an 832 grub screw in this guy for blade retention. Tap for blaster deflex, If you hit the blade or the saber, you get blade lock up. See that right here. See the difference in my hand. And it will stay like that until you pull away from it. Just like that. To get to your music tracks, just hold down power for a second and let go. And then do the same thing to turn it off. Hold down for 1 second and let go. And then just tap your auxiliary, get to your next sound font.
I know the true power of the dark side.
Unstable. And you got an unstable blade. So hopefully that's picking up on camera well. Just like that. And then we'll take the battery out. I did leave all of the stock fonts on here as well, just in case you want to play around with those. You can hear those right here. Like that. Right? I pressed it too fast. if you double press it, it'll go into mute. Sometimes you'll do that with these buttons that don't have the clicking noise. So if you just press it fast, you'll be fine. Press it again and turn it off. And we'll take the blade out. And then we'll take the battery out as well. Pretty easy. Just take the handle off and do exactly what we did before. But then this time you can use your finger to come in from the positive side of the battery, which is by the speaker. And you can pop it out just like that. And that is pretty much your saber. Let me know if you have any questions. If not, I will get this out in the mail to you tomorrow. I did put a polish on this so it catches fingerprints really easy. I'll try to wipe it down before I send it off. But yeah, let me know if you got any questions. Thanks.